And there's a major case at the Supreme Court today involving LGBTQ rights. The justices will hear arguments on whether business owners can refuse to provide a service to same-sex couples based on their religious beliefs and free speech. Here's ABC's Derek Dennis.
Whether it's baking a cake,
if it's not something I will say, then it's not something I will write on a cake,
or designing a wedding website.
I am a Christian, and as a Christian, I believe that marriage is between one man and one woman.
The Supreme Court is set to decide whether a public service can be denied based on a person's constitutional right to free speech versus equal LGBTQ rights. It stems from a Colorado case brought by website designer Lori Smith, appealing to the Supreme Court not to be fined or otherwise punished under Colorado law for refusing to work on an LGBTQ-themed project, saying it would violate her religious beliefs.
I'm never refusing a project based on who's requesting the work, but the message that I'm being asked to pour my time, talents into promoting and celebrating.
Colorado's Attorney General Philip Weiser says otherwise.
If you're open to the public, you need to accommodate everybody. That's a core of our civil rights law, and it has deep roots in American law.
Lori Smith's 2019 lawsuit follows a similar case brought by Colorado baker Jack Phillips in 2012, who argued he should not be forced to make an LGBTQ-themed cake for a same-sex couple under his First Amendment right to express his own speech. He won the case on a technicality and a narrow ruling. Autumn Scardina, a transgender woman, is now suing Smith for violating her rights.
As soon as I told him who I was, then it became, I won't sell it to you.
Ultimately, the Supreme Court now gets to decide if one right overrides another.
What's at stake is the right of every American to be able to speak messages that are consistent with their conscience and to not face government punishment for declining to speak a message that violates their core convictions.
If the Supreme Court rules in favor of service providers, it could have a sweeping effect, essentially carving out a legal exemption for business owners to deny any kind of service based on their personal beliefs, giving them an overriding right to say no. Derek Dennis, ABC News, New York.